ChitChat English.
Daddy, why do we celebrate Christmas?
Because it is a special birthday. Whose birthday is it? It is Jesus' birthday. He brought love to the world.
Then why does Santa bring gifts?
It started with Saint Nicholas. Who was he?
A very kind man long ago.
He gave gifts to poor children.
We copy him.
Yes, to share happiness. And what about the reindeer? Santa lives at the North Pole. It is very far away. And the snow is deep.
Reindeer are strong and fast. Do they really fly?
To visit every house quickly. I think I understand now.
You are ready for the magic. Mom, are you writing?
Yes, the Christmas dinner menu, that is a long list. We need a big feast. Does Santa have a list too?
Yes, a naughty or nice list. Am I on the nice list?
I think so. Does he know about the bike?
The pink bicycle, yes, with lights on wheels.
If you are good, he knows. Is our chimney big enough?
Don't worry, he has magic. Will you get a gift too?
Me, yes. Were you good? Maybe. Let's wait and see.
The tree is almost done. It needs one more thing.
The star on the top, yes, the shiny gold star.
It is too high for you. Come here. I will lift you. Hold me tight, Daddy.
Place it right there. It looks perfect now. Do we hang the stockings?
Yes, right by the fireplace. Why do we hang them? For Santa to fill them with candy and toys. Yes, small surprises inside. I chose the biggest one.
You are very smart. Is there anything else?
Just the wreath on the door, the round green circle.
It welcomes our friends. Our house is ready now.
Good job, sweetie.
Time for bed, honey, but I am too excited. You need to rest, sweetie. Will Santa really come? Only if you sleep. Did we leave the cookies? Yes, chocolate chip cookies and a glass of milk. A big glass for him and carrots for reindeer. They are on the plate. I hear a noise outside. It might be the sleigh. Is he here already? Close your beautiful eyes. No peeking tonight, okay? I'm sleeping. Sweet dreams, my baby. Wake up, wake up.
Is it morning already? Look under the tree. Oh, my goodness. It is the pink bike.
It looks very fast. Look, the wheels light up.
Santa really likes you and the Lego castle. We can build it later.
Be careful riding it. This is the best day. Today is the big meal. Do you need help? No, I am the master chef. The turkey is in the oven.
What about the stuffing? It is my secret recipe. Everything is under control.
Totally under control.
Can I watch the game? No, peel these potatoes.
Where did you put the gravy?
The gravy is on the counter.
Oh, no, the green bean casserole.
Is the food burning? Check the oven quickly, honey.
It looks okay, it is just a little brown. Thank goodness, wait, I forgot the cranberry sauce.
Where is the sauce now? It is still in the fridge. I will get it right now. We are behind schedule.
I am moving very fast, we are running out of time.
Please calm down, chef. The food looks amazing. What is the big bird?
It is a roast turkey.
It is the traditional Christmas meat.
What is the red sauce?
That is cranberry sauce. It looks like jelly. It tastes sweet and sour. And this bread stuff.
That is the stuffing. Why is it called stuffing?
We cook it inside the turkey. Try some mashed potatoes.
Put some gravy on top, it tastes so good.
Pass me the green bean casserole. I am so full now.
My belly is big to like Santa Claus.
Yes, round and happy. Can I skip the beans? No, eat your veggies, but I want pecan pie.
Mom's turkey was great, thank you. I am tired.
I cannot move now. We ate too much food.
Let's take a walk outside. Can we see the lights?
Yes, the neighborhood is bright.
Put on your warm coat. Look at that snowman.
The inflatable one, it is bigger than a house.
They did a great job. Listen, I hear music.
It is a Christmas carol who is singing.
Maybe the neighbors nearby. It sounds very beautiful.
But I like our lights best.
Why do you like ours? They are warm and gold.
Because we hung them together.
The house is quiet. She is finally asleep.
Now it is our time. This box is for you. A new watch.
Do you like the style?
It looks very elegant. Your old one broke twice. Yes, I kept fixing it. You need a working watch.
Thank you for noticing. Now this is for you.
Oh, leather gloves.
They feel so soft. The weather is getting cold.
Your hands are always freezing.
You remembered that I want to keep you warm.
This is the best gift. Merry Christmas, my love.
Merry Christmas to us.